This is for topic area 4, create a marketing mix to support a product. And this is 4.2, how the elements of the marketing mix work together. So we've already looked at the 4 P's, product, price, placement and promotion. Thought and focus needs to be applied to get the 4 elements to work well together. If the product is not something that the audience wants or needs, then it's going to fail. If you operate in a mass market, in other words, if you are in a clothing industry or a car industry where there's lots of competitors, then you need to make sure that even if you get one element wrong, like charging too much for the price, then customers will go elsewhere. For the place, if you sold it somewhere where your target audience can't actually access, then they're going to go elsewhere. For example, if your audience is a lot of older people, they might not be able to access the online system as much and would prefer to go to an actual store. For promotion, if the adverts are in places that the target audience won't see them, then they won't actually know about the product. So the best way to learn how the elements can work together is to look at an example. So we're going to look at the most successful product in today's market, which is the iPhone. For product, the latest phone with all the available features, but there are a variety of models to suit different audience needs, and they are regularly upgraded. So there's a new iPhone at least once a year, and each time it gets released, there are 3 different versions that are available. So you have like your Pro versions, you have the smaller phone, and you have the cheapest option as well. The price is always set to high for Apple products, and this is partly for a psychological reason, to make people feel like they're high class and they're getting a luxury item. They can also afford to do this because the item is in demand, it's very popular, so they can use a price skimming model. The place, Apple use a combination of high street stores and also through online methods, and you can also access them through mobile phone contracts from other suppliers such as EE and O2, etc. Promotion, Apple also use a variety of advertising methods, so you might see posters, online ads, TV adverts, billboards and more. Your marketing mix can't be static. Your customers' wants and needs change over time. This can be the result of external factors such as technological advancements, societal changes, the economy, or new information being discovered. This means a business must adapt its marketing mix to continue to be effective. For example, during COVID, people couldn't eat in restaurants anymore, so food had to be delivered. Therefore, if you were a business that didn't offer delivery, you needed to very quickly change that particular system. Some ways that a business can adapt to changing consumer needs are to introduce new products, such as what the iPhone does and brings out new models. Changing the selling price of products, so as things start to come to an end, or if things are not being successful, or if the economy is drastically changing, you might need to change the price of the product. Opening a new store or starting a website, so if you didn't previously have one, that could be something that needs to change. And also choosing new advertising methods. So if people are not going out in the streets because of COVID, then you need to make sure all your advertising is online. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Send me an email if you have any questions.